Hi, I'm Candace Metcalf, and this is for my AP 800 class, and I'm going to be talking to you today about quizzes. This is what Quizizz looks like. It is an online program. You can use it from any type of device. You just need to have the internet, and it is free to use, and it will work with any browser. This is a great interactive tool for students to be able to take quizzes and to interact with one another. It has a leaderboard as you're taking the quiz. The quiz questions are mixed up, but it does show the quizzes top scores so that students can see how they're doing compared to their teammates while they're taking the quiz. So real quick, you can just search for a subject. So I teach family and consumer science, so child development is one of the classes I teach. And as you can see, it has over almost 150,000 questions or quizzes that are available. So you would obviously want to be a little more specific when you're searching for this subject area. But you can see, and I like that it has the different grade levels. So this one's like 10 through 12, this one's 6 through 8. So you know what you're getting, what area of how hard it is. You can also save the quizzes. If you find one you want to use with your students, you can save them as one you like just by pushing the like button right there. Or you can make a new quiz. And it's real simple. You can just make something up. And then you have choices on what type of questions you want to ask. You can also align it with standards so that other teachers, when they're using, if they used your quiz, it would have options. They can know that what they're teaching is what it goes along with. And it has, show you a real simple one real quick. This is a My Plate, so it says it has like from first grade level, and as the teacher you can see over here what the questions are before you even click on it. Or you can do ones that are a little bit more difficult for high school or junior high ages. So real quick, I'll just click on this simple quiz and let you look at it. Again, it shows you the questions as the teacher. You can click over here and it'll show you the answers, so you can look down through there to see what the questions and answers are. You can assign it as homework and give them a quiz number to go in and look at. You can play live, and you can have individuals or teams. So I'll just click real quick on this practice so you can see what it looks like. And you can have flashcards, or you can challenge a friend. But you can just push the play quiz up. Has a real catchy music, and then it shows memes between the questions. They can get prizes, and you will be able to see the questions as you go. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the game for now. But as you can see, Quizizz is very interactive and fun, and the kids have a lot of fun with them. And I like that they have a lot of quizzes already uploaded to the programs, and you can make your own if they don't have one you want. I hope you enjoy Quizizz.